Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I'm Laskita Pinatantra from 7.2 and my attendance list is number 20. So today, I will be talking about the mathematics material in Team 2. Before I explain anything about it, I'm gonna tell you that there's 3 different materials in Team 2. So I will be explaining one by one and give an example of problem in each material. Okay, so the first material is proportion. Proportion is divided into 2, which are direct and inverse. The first is direct proportion. It is when x and y are any two quantities that both of them increase or decrease, and xy remains constant number. The example is when we buy food. The more we buy food, the more money that we needed. So xy increases together. Both of them increases. Okay, and the second one is inverse proportion. It is when there's two quantities that if one quantity increases, the other quantity decreases. So the example is when we drive a car. When we drive a car, the more velocity that we uses, the shorter the time that we needed. So the velocity in the car and the time needed is in inverse proportion. Okay, let's get to the second material. The second material is about similarity and congruency. Similarity and congruency is used to determine if a figure is considered as similar based on its shape. So similar is when a figure or an object are in the same shape and side ratio but in different size. So there's two figures that are the same shape and side ratio, but the one can be smaller and the other one can be bigger. That is when a figure could be considered as similar. The second one is congruent or congruency. It is when a figure or an object are on the same shape and size, but it can also be coinciding on the sides when it's attached. So there's two figures that are in same shape and size, but it can also be coinciding on the sides. And lastly, the third material is about data interpretation. Data interpretation is used to know the values in a data. It consists of mean, median, mode, and range. Mean is the average value of a data. To find mean, we need to add all the numbers in a data and divided it by the sum number of values. Now is median. Median is the middle number. So how to find the median is we need to put the smallest number in a range to the largest number, and the number in the middle is the median. Next is the mode. Mode is the most frequent number. To find the mode, we just need to see that which one of the number is appearing the most. Lastly is the range. Range is a difference between the smallest number and the largest number in a data. So to find range, we just need to subtract the smallest number from the largest number. That is all about the mathematics material in Team 2. I hope it helps. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.